Okay, so let's quickly wrap up week 3 and look ahead to week 4. So I've graded most of your assignments that have been submitted. I'll finish up the couple that are there right now after this. Very good so far from what I've seen. Looks like there are a few of you that need to get in there though and finish up your check-in, your quiz, and your Venn diagram. So let's try and get those in by, well, it's Sunday already, so let's try and get those in by today. I'm going to finish up grading everything tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and then that way you come Monday morning, you'll know exactly where you stand in the class. So let me zoom down these real quick, and it looks like very good scores pretty much on all those check-ins and the Venn diagrams that I did. Quizzes, your scores look pretty good too. So, all right, and your discussions, again, you guys are very active in there, going back and forth with each other. It's really great. I will get those graded tomorrow. So, all right, on this point, let me move week 4 over to here. So, okay, so welcome to week 4. We're pretty much puts us at the halfway point of this class. So, like I said, the discussion's very good. A lot of good activity back and forth. Enjoy seeing that. And keep that up. So, okay, this week we're going to be covering the duties and responsibilities of both private and public security providers. You evaluate target vulnerability and exposure and probability and uncertainty in risk management. So for our discussion, you'll be given a scenario where a police officer shoots and kills a teenage boy that was mistaken for a criminal. After a court inquiry goes this incident, they decide that this was a tragic accident and no charges to be filed against the officer. So this sets off rallies within the community on both sides of the situation. So family members and friends of the teenage boy are protesting the court's decision, and supporters of the officers involved are planning to rally in support of the officer and their police department. So you, as an emergency member, management staff member, you're going to identify the hazards and potential risks in this situation. You're going to analyze and study the potential threats as well. When does this threat turn into a legitimate hazard? What resources might you bring in to limit the potential risk of the situation? This kind of goes hand in hand right now what's going on with all the different protests we're seeing. There's a lot of peaceful protests and there's a lot of protests that aren't so peaceful. So this is kind of a good scenario to go over as we see that there are probably people working in this field right now that had to go over all this. So it's a good topic, kind of good typing to go over right now. Okay, this week you're also going to submit your Week 4 portfolio project outline. You're going to use the format found in the portfolio project direction and rubrics document. Okay, you have your Week 4 disasters, hazards, and threats assignment due as well. This is worth 10% of your grade, so it's a very important assignment. Open the link there, and it's going to give you the further directions on what to do this assignment as far as the rubric. And then you have your midterm exam, Week 4. This is worth 10% of grade as well, so please take your time when you have this exam. There's a total of 10 questions. There's 6 multiple choice and 4 short answers. You were able to review some of those questions last week. So it's not a timed exam, but you only have one attempt to take it. So make sure you set yourself enough time and to take this and score high on it, because it is, again, worth 10% of your grade. And then lastly, you got your Week 4 of your reflection due as well. So as always, if you got any questions, please reach out to me. A lot of you have been emailing me. I'm getting some calls and text messages from me too. That's great too. I don't care how you reach out to me. If you have a question, please do reach out to me. Okay? Good luck to all of you in Week 4.